welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristin and I love to craft. Today I'm going to show you how we made this USA beaded safety pin, and I'm also going to show you how we made this American flag out of beads as well. One thing that I do want to go ahead and point out is make sure that you have the correct size beads, because whenever I was making this one, the S on the USA is a little bit higher because the blue beads are a little bit thicker and they're not the same size as the red and the white ones. So definitely make sure that whenever you are picking out your beads that you are using the correct size. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Let's first start off with just opening these up, kind of taking the package off of these. And this is going to be our main safety pin since it's the biggest one, and it is huge. This one says that it is 2 inches. So we will put, actually, let's go ahead and get 2 out since we will be making 2 today. And then these are 1.5 inch safety pins. Okay, and then for the smaller ones, we will need 10 of these. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set these to the side, that way that we can work on one project at a time. Okay, I think the first thing that we should do is take one at a time and go ahead and bead them, and then we will string them along the larger safety pin. So for this one, let's go ahead and unhook it, and we can start off by adding the blue beads on first. Okay, so we have 5 of the blue beads on first, and then we will need 2 whites and 2 reds. So there's a white, a red, another white, and another red. And then we can go ahead and clip that one together. Okay, and that is what it looks like close up. Okay, so we made that one. We need 4 more of that exact pattern. All right, so we just finished up our first 5. And now the rest of these are just going to be white and red. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one up. We're going to start off with red. Let's just go ahead and put a couple of these in here because I did these press-on nails and I cannot grab anything. I'm having such trouble, so we're just going to pour a few in here. Hopefully it'll be a little bit easier to pick up. Okay, so we're going to start off with red, and we'll just alternate between red and white. Okay, I did the alternating red and white one, and I did 5 red and 1, 2, 3, 4 white. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same for these other 4. Finish those up. Now we need to go ahead and put it on the larger safety pin. So we are going to unhook it like this. Okay, so now that we have our beads done, let's go ahead and take our larger safety pin, open it up, and we are going to take some round nose pliers and we are going to open it up. So we are going to take the pointy end and we are going to bend it back. All right, and then we have it almost straight, but there's enough room to where the beads can loop all the way around. So we are going to take our bead and put it through the hole, loop it around, and we are going to take all of the blue pins, put those on first, Now we're going to take the red and white pins and put those through. Okay, now that we have them all on there, we are going to take the round nose pliers again, and we are just going to bend this back. Alright, and there it is, back in its original form. You can also take the round nose pliers and kind of squeeze it, because sometimes it does, you know, it doesn't go back to its original form. So this is how we made our little pin, and then whenever you open it up, you can put it through your shirt or your jacket, backpack, whatever you're attending. But this is such a cute little craft. I cannot wait to wear this to our Independence Day celebration here at Fort Benning. And so, but this is going to be just a little extra touch to our little celebration. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side, and we will work on our next one. So let's go ahead and make the USA one. I have 13 safety pins here, and we are going to take the first one and we are going to do 9 white ones. I'm going to pour some out onto this lid. That way it's easier to bead, and I've found a quicker way where you just go like this and it beads it so much quicker. So we have 3. Now I'm going to pour out some red ones. And we are going to do 1 white. Then we're going to do 7 red. And then 1 more white. And close that one up. Then we're going to do 7 white. One red, and 1 more white, and close that one up. Then we are going to repeat the second one, so we're going to do 1 white, 7 red, and 1 more white, close that one up. Then we're going to do 9 white, then we're going to do 1 white, and then we're going to take some of our blue. We're going to do 4 of these. Two white. One more blue. And 1 more white. Next up, we are going to take 1 white, 1 blue, 2 whites, another blue, 2 more whites, another blue, and then another white. And close that one up. Next up, we're going to take a white, a blue, 2 more whites, 4 blues, and another white. And close that one up. Up, we are going to do 9 whites, that one up and put it right there. Next up, we are going to do 1 white and 7 reds, and then another white, and then next we are going to do a white, a red, 2 more whites, another red, and 4 more whites. Close that one up. All right, last 2. So for this one, we are going to do 1 white, 7 reds, and another white. All right, and then for the last one, we are going to do 9 whites, okay, now we're going to take our larger safety pin. Again, this one is 2 inches, and we are going to take some round nose pliers and we are just going to open it up. Open it pretty straight. It allows for a little gap right here, and that is where we are going to string the beads along. So we are going to start with the first one that we made, and we are going to go in order, and we are going to just bring these around. All right, and here it is. It's kind of hard to read because of the different size beads, which is why it's really important to have the same size whenever you're making these. But it says USA, and let's go ahead and take our round nose pliers and fold this pointy end all the way back. All right, and here is the final results. I had so much fun making these patriotic safety pins. I cannot wait to put these on my shirt for our Independence Day celebration here at Fort Benning. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!